Hey everyone, if you are into sublimation printing, you are going to want to stick around for this video. Today I'm showing 5 sublimation tips I really wish I'd know sooner. They have saved my time, money and tons of frustration. Watch till the end of this video so you don't want to miss the one that might change everything for you. Tips 1. How to make sure whether your temperature setting is correct or not. It's a quick way to check if your heat setting is on point. If your black design comes out looking gray, your temperature is too low. If it looks brownish, that means it's too hot. Tips 2. Know when to preheat your blanks. Is it true that all blanks need preheating? The answer is no. Sublimation blanks are generally divided into hard and soft materials. Preheating soft blanks like fabrics helps remove moisture and wrinkles so you can get a smooth, even transfer. For hard substrates, you can usually skip it and go straight to pressing. Tip 3. Don't skip the Teflon sheet. It's really helpful for 2 big reasons. First, put the Teflon sheet before printing to make sure there's no leftover ink or residue from previous application that's going to your transfer over to your new product. It also keeps your heat press clean. Second, if you don't want to mess with heat-resistant tape, you can use the Teflon sheet to hold your design in place while pressing. Tips 4. Always place the design face up for rock slate and glass. When the paper is on top, the heat press evenly through the blank onto the design. This gives you better, more even ink transfer, sharper details, and richer colors overall. Tips 5. Use the right templates. Templates can save you a lot of headaches. For hard blanks like phone cases, using the correct template helps you avoid having important parts of your design cut off or hidden. For soft materials like fabric, if you want to achieve full printing result, your template usually needs to be a little bigger than the blank itself. That way you get full coverage without any gaps. Alright, I hope this helped you get better prints and save time on your next project. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.